How many followers do you need to be an influencer on Instagram? 100,000? A few thousand? Or can you be an influencer on Instagram with only 1,000 followers? In this episode, we'll break down different kinds of Instagram influencers and how many followers you need to work with the brands. And watch this video till the end to see the statistics on how much brands are willing to pay for a regular post, Instagram story, and Instagram video even if you have as little as 500 followers. If we have not met before, my name is Marina Baraeva, and on this channel we talk about how to grow your personal brand and become an influencer in your industry. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click a little bell near the subscribe button. That's why you will get the notifications when the new episodes will be released. So far, there are 4 categories of influencers on Instagram. They are mega influencers or Instagram celebrities, macro influencers, micro influencers, and nano influencers. Let's go from the top. There are many Instagram celebrities. There are famous people and public figures. You can include there Barack Obama, Oprah Winfrey, Kim Kardashian, Beyoncé, and so on. They all are a part of the highest category, Instagram mega influencers. To become a mega influencer on Instagram, you need more than 1 million followers. In the middle of 2019, most followers had Cristiano Ronaldo, Ariana Grande, and Selena Gomez. These accounts often have a very diverse audience with different topics of interest. Their relationships with their followers tend to be more distant. But still, they are usually more expensive than other types of influencers because they can reach a lot of people. The next category is macro influencers. To be a macro influencer, you need from 100,000 followers to 1 million followers. These accounts also can reach a large audience, and besides that, they are often targeting a more specific audience focusing on a particular niche. The downside is the engagement level there is lower than for accounts with the smaller communities. When you have hundreds of thousands of followers, it's quite difficult to communicate with every follower. But brands like working with them because it's a good balance. They're not that expensive like Instagram celebrities, and you can share your message to a large targeted group of people. The next group is the micro-influencers. These accounts are very popular now. A micro-influencer is someone who has from 5,000 to 100,000 followers. Micro-influencers focus on a certain niche or area, and they have a much better level of engagement comparing to macro and mega influencers. Because micro-influencers often post about their experience, they have a high level of trust and are perfect for building relationship with followers and brands that want to work with them. And our last group, nano-influencers. A nano-influencer has between 500 to 5,000 followers and curates content around a certain niche topic or market. It's kind of a mini version of micro-influencer. Nano-influencers are still quite a new type of influencer. They usually share the content with friends and family. One of the benefits of nano-influencers is that they have the highest level of engagement. If you want to know more about nano-influencers, click on that card after you finish watching this video. So how much money can you make on Instagram account if you have only 500 followers? According to eMarket, nano-influencers make an average of $114 per video post, $100 for an image post, and $43 for a story. Question of the day: what type of influencer are you on Instagram? Are you a mega influencer, macro influencer, micro influencer, or nano influencer? Leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button below, share with your friends and fellow entrepreneurs, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for new videos every single week.